Hi guys, Ari Afshar here again, housingassist.com. Wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about negative equity, what it really is, because I'd say probably 1 in every 10 homeowners right now is behind in their mortgage payments, and most of them are probably experiencing what is called negative equity. Now, what is that? We're very familiar with the term equity because that's why we all get into real estate. That's why we all purchase these homes, because of the equity at the end of the day. How much is your home going to appreciate over a period of time? Well, in today's market, we're experiencing the exact opposite. What we're experiencing is negative equity. What your property has actually depreciated by over the past few years. So many homeowners these days are upside down. Now, upside down meaning that their loan is for $500,000 and their current property value is for $350,000. Even if it's for $400,000, you still have that $100,000 of negative equity. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to focus on how can we get out of that situation? How can we put ourselves in a position where we're not having to deal with the negative equity, where we're not having to deal with, trying to buy back that equity over time? Because as you and I both know, it's going to take a very long time for you to gain back any of that negative equity that you once had in the home. And so the number one way for you to get rid of that negative equity, of course, if you're trying to avoid the foreclosure, is to do what we focus on as a company at housingassist.com. That is the short sale. If you even try and see what options are available out to you today, you're going to know that every loan modification is trying to sell you on why it's so beneficial for you to do a loan modification. But guess what? That's not taking care of. That's not taking care of that negative equity that will still stick with you for the next 5 to 10 years, or however long it's going to take for you to have your property value appreciate greater than what your current negative equity is. Now, the short sale is going to solve that problem. Why? I'll tell you. First off, the short sale is going to allow you to walk away from the situation while still technically being on good terms with the bank. Because the banks don't want to foreclose on your home. The banks are not in the business of buying and selling real estate. They're in the business of collecting interest. So what they want to do is they want to see that you are willing to work with them by doing the short sale. Now, if you walk away and you do the short sale, you're going to put yourself in a position where in 2 years' time, your credit is going to be in fantastic condition, and you're going to be able to, at that point in time, purchase a property. And I've mentioned this before, but purchase a property at that point in time where you'll actually be able to have equity in the home. Remember, that's the number one reason why homeowners buy homes today, is so that they can have something that is going to appreciate over time, and that is the dream home, the American dream. Otherwise, everyone that you know would be renting a home today. So believe me, if you want to fix that negative equity situation, there's only 2 options. One is a foreclosure, which in my opinion is no option at all, because that will ruin your credit for 7 to 10 years. The other is the only option that I see as being the true viable one, and that is the short sale. That is what we focus on. Give us a call, housingassist.com. Phone number is 888-877-0078. Call and ask for me. I'll speak with you directly. Again, it's 888-877-0078.